Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place where there was lot of noise. You should say when this happened, where it was, why there was lot of noise, and explain what you did when you heard the noise. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So before we jump on to the answer that I have created, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So the question is asking about a place where there was lot of noise. So it can be any kind of place, maybe a railway station where there was lot of loud sounds, or maybe a construction site or factory, or maybe a wedding or some kind of function that you attended where there was lot of loud music that was being played, right? So it can be anything, right? So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Noisy areas are basically sites having different kinds of sounds that are unwanted, unpleasant, and disruptive to hearing, and I mostly prefer to stay away from boisterous places. But today, I would like to talk about a time when I experienced a lot of loud sounds. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly conveying to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about a time. Also, for those of you who do not know what boisterous mean, it simply means noisy. It is a synonym for noisy. So you can add that to your vocabulary list and use it while speaking next time. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year, after completion of my final exams, I decided to travel to Amritsar to meet my cousins and relatives. Moreover, we went to a popular restaurant known as Brothers Eatery, which was located in the city hub and is known for its authentic North Indian dishes, which are available at cheaper prices as compared with its counterparts. So, as you all can see, we have answered the first 2 questions, which is when this happened and where it was. We still have 2 other questions remaining, which is why there was lot of noise and explain what you did when you heard the noise. So let's continue. I ordered some of my favorite menu items and was chatting with my cousins. Additionally, there was a lot of cacophony in the restaurant because there was a big group of people who was having a grand celebration while playing loud music at the same time and had occupied more than half of the place. So as you all can see, we have used a range of connectors like moreover, furthermore, additionally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. Also, cacophony is another synonym for saying noisy. So instead of repeating the word noise or noisy again and again, we are using some different words to communicate the same meaning. So you can add all of these words to your list as well, and next time while you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so we still have the last part of the question, which is explain what you did when you heard the noise. So let's continue. Furthermore, I was feeling quite irritated and was also suffering from headache due to the noisy environment. Finally, I requested the restaurant manager to lower the music volume and also used my earplugs to prevent the sound from causing further annoyance. So, annoyance means something that is causing some kind of disturbance to you, right? So, instead of using disturbance, we used a better vocabulary word which is annoyance. which will increase our band scores for the lexical resources part. So as you all can see, we were speaking quite clearly at all times. We did not take any kind of pauses, neither we were trying to repeat any kind of words, or we were not like falling short of ideas in between, right? We spoke quite smoothly and also clearly so that the examiner could understand each and every word of what we are speaking. So all these will also enhance our band scores for the fluency and pronunciation part. Also, there is a video posted on our channel regarding the criteria on which you are assessed on speaking. So it's a good idea to check that out, because that way you know on what criteria you are being marked upon by the examiner in your speaking exam, right? Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button.